It's impossible for me to be Afrophobic when I've traveled so many freaking African countries and I have so many beautiful experiences all over the place. Yes, you have an issue in South Africa of immigration, of corruption. That's what they're not sorting out, your needs. All of those African foreign nationals, those nationalities that you have there in South Africa that you are complaining about, that you think are committing the most crime, they also live in other countries. Why are not all those other countries complaining about them? Why isn't the rest of the world out here saying, all the African foreign nationals must leave our country? Why? You know how many African foreign nationals live in France? Just France alone? My God. Do you know how many? Why isn't France out here saying, all African foreign nationals are taking our opportunities away, they must leave? Because they have leadership. They know how to organize themselves. That's what you are lacking in your South Africa. You understand? Doesn't matter if everybody leaves South Africa. Because you have poor leadership, it'll be the same freaking results, man. Look at the UAE. Look at the UAE. It's built basically because there's foreign nationals there. But because there's leadership. Oh my God. It's the same freaking nationalities that you have there. But they know how to behave over there. Why? Why? Why do they feel the need to misbehave in your South Africa, but they behave elsewhere? That's how you start thinking, man. And then you're going to say, it's because of this freaking corrupt government. You channel all your energy there. You don't come up here and toy. Like these Zulus. With this thing. My friend, there's too much energy. It's about working smarter, not harder. Come on now. All this toying, all this Zulu dance. Yes, we love Shaka Zulu, but what you doing? No papers were filed there, bro.